Ever wondered why we yawn even when we are not tired? See, it's a thermoregulatory behavior, meaning it helps to cool down the brain. The brain cooling hypothesis suggests that the deep inhalation and facial blood flow changes associated with yawning can help lower the brain temperature. So, in simple words, yawning brings in cool air and increases blood flow, thus, cools your brain. So, the longer the yawn, the larger the brain. And what about contagious yawns? That's linked to empathy. You're more likely to yawn after someone you care about does. However, the main reason is also said to be mirror neurons. So, next time you yawn, remember your brain's just chilling out. Follow for more such quick signs. You're watching KPM Voice.